There are a few keyboard shortcuts to make processing in Excel easier. One of these is to hold the control key. So if I type a figure into cell A1 and I want to copy this into cell B1, by holding control and pressing C, I can then highlight that cell to copy. Moving the cursor into cell B1, again pressing the control key and then V will paste it into cell B1. If I then decide that I don't want it in cell B1 and I'd like it in cell C1 instead, using the control key, I can hold control and press X, which will cut it, pop my cursor into cell C1 and use control V to paste it. So we've been able to copy, cut and paste using the control key on the keyboard. If I'd then like to make that cell bold, using the control key, press control, press B, and that'll make that cell bold. And if I'd like to underline it, again, press control and then U, and that'll underline it. So we've been able to format the cell as well using the control key. The control key also helps us to highlight columns and rows that aren't next to each other. So I can highlight row A, column A, using the control key, keep that pressed down and highlight column C, E, and again, while the control key is pressed, I can highlight particular rows. So I can highlight row 4 and row 7, and again, control key is still pressed, I can highlight relevant cells as well. So by using the control key, we can highlight different cells, rows and columns.